Okay, so check this out right over here. We are going to be doing a unboxing review and install on the CASEKOO iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover in a marine blue color, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review and install, we are going to open everything up and show you guys more in depth. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Now this right over here is our marine blue iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover, which we are going to put to the side. Right over here, it tells a little bit about it. It comes with a 360 degrees rotatable stand, a MagSafe charger as well too, and it also comes with a 16 feet military grade protection. What that means and what that does is that if your iPhone falls down from a certain height, it will protect it from getting damaged, and it is up to 16 feet, which it states. And right over here, one huge plus I love about this product is that it comes with a pair of CASEKOO stickers. I mean, how cool is this for them to provide that? You could stick this on your laptop. You could stick this to your iPhone cover as well too. I mean, it's really cool for them to provide that. Now, last but not least, let's get to the main part, which is the iPhone 17 Pro Max case, which is right over here. And you can see how beautiful this case cover looks like. The marine blue color finish is absolutely beautiful that you can see, and I love the contrast that it has with the gold as well too for the magnetic as well. And let's go on the backing of it. The inside material is really high quality. You can see that marine blue looks really beautiful in the inside, and not just that, but it comes with the screen protection as well too on the camera lens itself. And right over here, the buttons that are right here, it's like in a gold contrast as well too. And right over here, like I told you guys before, it comes with a 360 degrees rotatable stand as well too. So let's say, for example, you are trying to watch a movie with your friends or family, then you can have it horizontal, just like that. And if you are trying to do FaceTime with your friends or family or anyone like that, a video call, then you just place it just like that, and you can see that it stands. And it does, it's durable, sturdy, it's not going to fall down or anything like that. But what we're going to do now is that we're going to install this onto my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and from there we are going to show you guys the finished results. So without going any further, let's install it and show you guys the finished results when I have it equipped onto my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, so here's the finished results that I have it equipped onto my iPhone 17 Pro Max that you can see here, and it turned out absolutely beautiful with the deep blue color that you can see here. And one thing I love about this case cover is that the backing of it is really soft and nice. It's a silicone finish, and like I told you guys before, the material is like a hard shell plastic material that's really durable and strong. And like I told you guys before, it comes with a military grade protection up to 16 feet, so it will definitely protect your iPhone from getting damaged if it falls down by any chance, which you do not want that to happen. But unfortunately, if that does happen, it will protect your iPhone from getting damaged. And right over here, you can see, like I told you guys before, it comes with screen protection as well too for the camera lens. And one thing I love about this case cover is that all the buttons are functional. So the volume down button, volume up button, the mute button, everything's functional despite the military grade protection. And right over here, turn it on and off just like that. You can see that there's no interference or anything like that, and this button is exposed as well too. Underneath here, the USB-C and the speakers are all exposed, so when you have volume up, everything's going to play very loud and clear, so you don't have to worry about anything getting interfered with the cover itself. But other than that, and right over here, let's say for example you are trying to watch a movie with your friends or family, you could place it horizontal just like that you can see here. So I have placed like that. You don't have to worry about it falling down or anything like that. It's really strong and durable, and it's very sturdy as well too, so you don't have to worry about anything falling down. And then we are going to put it vertical to show you guys with my hands free, that way you can see that it's not falling down or anything like that. It's really strong and durable. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this iPhone 17 Pro Max case. But another thing I do want to note as well too is you could use this as a ring stand as well too, to like walk around, and you can see it's sturdy. You could just do it like that, like 360 degrees, and you can see it's not falling down or anything like that. It's still on there. Really strong case that you can see here. So there you have it. I would definitely recommend this iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover if you are looking for a strong, durable, and a case cover that looks really nice on your iPhone 17 Pro Max in a deep blue color. Then this one right over here in this marine blue finish is by far one of the best ones from CASEKOO, and I would definitely recommend this product.